Okay, so I know I look a little crazy, but I went ahead and did one eye off camera just to see how it would turn out, and it came out really good. It took me about 2 hours for all of this and the wing also with the butterfly wings. Oh, do you get it? Butterfly wing on a wing. This was inspired by a girl that did something on Instagram, but she did blue instead, and I was like, I'm gonna do purple because purple is my favorite color. But it came out really good, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this eye. I'm gonna fade it, that's how you know I'm a barber. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and do another butterfly right here just so it matches up on this side. But let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and this shirt is Kaylin Couture. It's a little off the shoulder. Go check that out because she is the plug. I call her my designer. I know you saw me talk about it in my other video, so if you haven't already, go look at her stuff. So you're gonna pack on that purple and just barely lightly blend that out. Blend that little line out right there. And just barely bluff out the edge. Then you're gonna go ahead and grab the glitter with the brush that looks like this. Spray setting spray, I'm using the NYX matte one. And the last step I do is I spray hairspray on the brush and just lightly tap it on top so that glitter does not move. He told me, he was like, this is a drag tip and you're gonna need it. And I was like, okay, I'm listening. And he was like, all you gotta do is spray hairspray and that glitter will stay. And he was not lying. Now you're gonna just grab any kind of eyeliner. I use the NYX matte one, and I get it usually at Ulta. This is what I use for my butterflies. And I'm gonna do it just like this eye. I grab a little bit of black and then I blend it right there where the eyeliner ended. Then you're gonna go ahead and use the same dark purple that you used right here on your bottom lash line. And then with that same pink that you used again on your eyeshadow, use it at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to draw a butterfly. And last but not least, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lolita lipstick. Okay, this ended up being the finished look. I got this from Amazon because I was like, I don't want to wear antennas. It's going to like hurt the back of my ears because it's a headband. So I bought this instead, and it's just like a crown. and it came out super cute. It fits it so perfect. I was gonna show y'all my outfit that I was gonna wear, but it has not came in, and I did get that from Fashion Nova. So I think it says it comes in 2 days, but you can just stay tuned on my Instagram, and I'm gonna post pictures of my outfit that I did wear for Halloween, and it's gonna be so freaking cute. I always make my own Halloween costume because I don't want people to have the same outfit as me. They can be the same thing, but as long as mine is unique, you know. I'm a very creative person, so I wanted to make my own, and I didn't tell anybody I was gonna be a butterfly. And I did buy wings. I bought wings. I bought kind of like a jumpsuit, I guess you could say, but it's shorts, and my shoes and my jumpsuit match exactly, and it's like so different. Like, I don't think y'all could guess it. It's not black for sure. I know I wear black all the time, but it's not black. I'm gonna be wearing glitter like all over my shoulders. It's gonna be like a metallic-y, colorful glitter, I guess you could say. I got that from Amazon also. So those are some things that I wanted to make the costume pop out more. Be on my I'm gonna put my social medias right here, and I hope you all like this look as much as me. It did take me a long time, so you know I'm gonna get pictures after this, but stay tuned for more videos. Peace.